Hello and welcome. It's Jelly Cube here in Queensland, Australia. I'm gonna do a split composition today on this acrylic pour. I've got some things planned that I'm going to try as well this week. I just walked to my studio and found this beautiful frangipani fallen off the frangipani tree, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. Can you smell it? But the colour inspiration, so not today because I already have my paints mixed. I must do those gorgeous colours, the very pale pink with maybe an orange with some yellow in it. I'm going to do those. So that was a really nice little hint, I think, from nature. Give me a go. Everything today that I'm using my paint is mixed with my Keep It Simple Kiss for short pouring medium. It's up for sale now. The links are down below in my description box, and I am told that it's going to be for sale worldwide. There'll be a distributor pick it up in the US and Europe and UK. So I'll be very excited when some of you overseas tell me that you found that the Kiss pouring medium is available in your country. Rightio, today I've mixed this. It's a pastel peach. It's not a colour I use very often, but I thought I'm going to try it today with a very simple colour palette again. So I'm going to do one section of my canvas in this pastel peach. And I'm going to just use my spatula, this offset spatula, which I absolutely love, which is just a cake icing spatula apparently. I got it from the home store in Australia called Spotlight, and you can get them pretty much anywhere now. Doesn't have to be, exact. I don't like to measure, or I like things off center as well. I don't like things all perfect because I'm not perfect, and life isn't perfect. So it stresses you out to try and get everything perfect, I find. So this again is pre-mixed with my pouring medium, and it's kind of a navy black. It's very blackish navy, if you get my drift. So with my new pouring medium, you do not have to use any Floetrol or any silicone, and basically I've gone through all the different techniques, and you can certainly get all of the techniques out of it. It will make gorgeous cells, it will do ring pours, it will do basically any of the techniques you can achieve with this. So it's been a long time coming, and a lot of trial and error gone into it with globalcolours Australia. And it's out now, and it's very exciting for me. Rightio, my lovelies, I am going to try and keep it simple. This is my champagne gold, and it is literally 50%, I'll put a bit too much on there, 50% gold, 50% silver, and then this is the global, just metallic gold. That probably is a little bit thick, but I will put some on. You see the difference? I just mixed this colour with silver, equal parts, and it comes out a lovely champagne colour. So I'm trying to just keep this simple here. This is burnt umber, and I did give it a good dollop of black in it because I wanted it to go the darker colour for this particular side. And lastly, I will add a bit of the metallic copper. So it kind of looks like very classy colours. I'm not worried about the sides just yet because I can fix those up if I don't end up blowing the paint over them. I'll just give it a whiz with my heat wand. Rightio, and now for my little blower. Everybody still asks me, I still get at least one comment about my blower. Where did you get it from? I got this from a charity shop, and it literally does have a broken handle, but the handle sits back this way, and it's just perfect for blowing your paint. Just move out my other painting that I did yesterday so I don't coat it in this. Rightio, I might see blowing the lighter colours over the blue first. Let's give it a go. What am I doing? Got too much paint on there. Too much paint. Oh well, I'll fix it up. Not a worry. Bear with me, got a lot to do on this yet. Rightio, that turned out completely not how I planned because I did not intend. I put too much paint on, I put too much base on for a start, so and if I hadn't have blown it out, it would have been quite thick and then could have caused the paint to crack when it dried. So the next step you can do when you've done this mistake, smack your Donny's Jilly, silly Jilly, is, okay, I'm going to soften it all up, bring it together with the balloon. So I'm just going to use the balloon. So just put the balloon, the belly button, in between the two fingers there of the balloon. I think I've got this balloon. It's actually too blown up because it's quite tight to use, and I like to have it quite nice and spongy. But at least this is bringing some of the creamy colour back through, and I guess I can try and add some over there. So this hopefully is gonna correct my mistake where it was just too much paint on there to really work nicely. Yeah, I make heaps of mistakes, and they're okay just if you calm yourself down and don't panic and think, well, what can I do to get out of this that I've just done? So I am using the balloon to literally help me take some paint off, and in a way that creates some gorgeous effects, but also it's softening the whole piece up, I believe. So they don't have to be actually balloon kisses, it can be rolls, just like me, full of rolls. Rightio, that is actually gorgeous. Perfect, and a really nice colour combo, I think. What do you guys think? Do you like that particular colour combo? You know, it looks like very, I think it looks classy, So classy, unlike me. Oh, I'm in a silly mood today, I can tell you. Rightio, I think that's really nice. I'm going to just give it a whiz over with my heat wand. So I'll have to put a big note to self. Hold off on the paint a little bit, Jilly, because that's what happens, but I actually love that. That is a beauty. I'm going to just finish off those edges at the back. So what do you guys think of it? Is it a colour combo you would have a go at or not? Let me know. I know, yeah, I went a bit crazy on that, but you know, do it as art therapy. It's good for us all. Okay, my lovelies, I will be back tomorrow. I really appreciate each and every one of you for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscription button. It's free. You get daily art inspiration. And I will be back tomorrow. Take care. Bye for now.